Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol AVXL. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. So if you go there, I'll explain in detail. Done this analysis several times in the past. That is where the red and green line annotations are coming from. But after today's movement, some updates here need to be made. First thing I'm going to do is actually just get rid of that line up there. Yes, it still pertains, just not necessarily relevant right now from a presentation standpoint. I don't want to risk causing clutter and confusion because there's lines all over the place. But let's get some things mapped out. First level to map out here is just based on a foundational rule in charting, which states when levels of support are broken and closed below, they tend to act as resistance. So $2.90 is going to be that newest area of resistance. Like I said, that started off as support. And the good news is that the price bounced very nicely, back up to this general area of the chart. So keep a close eye on 290. But that's also what really makes the chart look pretty interesting, because it started off with a gap and trap. I mean, the price gapped up to right there, and then after there, got really, really nasty all the way down there. But to give credit's due, spent the remainder of the day bouncing back upwards. Now, still work to be done. And again, that first, bit of work that needs to be done is getting back above 290. But, having the price up around here, obviously much better than having the price still sitting down around the 275 mark. So yeah, was a gap and trap on the day, but the bulls recovered nicely, and now they're definitely within striking distance of 290. Now, of course, that doesn't mean that 290 is guaranteed to be broken, but it's much more logical to think that 290 could be broken where the price sits right now, compared to if the price was still sitting down there around $2.75. So keep a close eye on 290 going forward. And I kind of already talked about that level of support. But the level of support, nothing fancy or complicated behind it other than the fact of, where did that bleeding finally stop today? And it stopped right down there at essentially $2.75. So 275 will be that first key level of support. 290, that initial level of resistance. And now also that we have more data, curious how the price is going to react and if it can get up above this trend line here. So that's more of a curiosity point at this point in time, because again, first key level to watch is right there at 290. So all in all, interesting day, nice recovery from the lows, and we'll see if the bulls can build upon the momentum going into the next couple of days. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up, as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.